Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start a video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it, you have to click on here. Then you have to select insist from here. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to prefer 3.5. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to prefer 2. Then you have to click on this box. Then type at 300. Then you have to click on the OK. After that you have to select the pen tool from here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold alt key. Then click on the anchor point. Then click on here, here, and here. Then click on the fill. Then select this color. Then select the move tool. Then select this. Then press and hold alt key. Then take over from this. Then you have to double click on here. Then you have to select the red color. Then click on the OK. After that you have to drag this under this layer. Then you have to rotate this. Then you have to select these layers. Then press and hold alt key. Then take over from this. Then you have to click on the anchor point. Then right click on this tab. Then click on the flip particle. Then drag this in here. Then select these layers. Then drag these layers in here. After that you have to select this. Then you have to double click on here. Then select the black color. Then click on the OK. Then select this, then double click on here, then select the black color, then click on the OK. After that you have to open your company picture. So I am opening the picture. After that you have to select this and click on here, then you have to click on the keyword situation. Then you have to select the shape tool from here. Then you have to draw this shape in here. Then you have to go to the layer panel and decrease the opacity of this. Then select the move tool, then select these layers. Then right click on this layer, then click on the merge layers. Then you have to select these layers from here. Then you have to right click on this layer, then click on the merge layer again. After that you have to select this tool from here. Then you have to increase the feathers from here. Then you have to select the image from here. Then select this. Then you have to drag this in here. Then unlock the background layer. Then double click on here. Then click on the color overlay. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select this. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to select this. So now we have to include the icons and add the text in here. I am already at the text, so I am pasting the text in here. Then select the shape tool and right click on here, then select the round rectangle tool, then draw the shape in here. Then click on here, then select the white color, then select the move tool. Then you have to right click on here, then select the dark grey. After that you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After opening the logo, you have to go to the layer panel, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then you have to click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on the reds. Then you have to select this color. Then click on here, then click on the color, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then select this, then click on the color. Then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. After that you have to select these layers, then press and hold alt key, then take over from these layers. Then you have to double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then click on the tick mark, then double click on here, then write your company category in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to select these layers and drag these layers in here. Then decrease the size of these layers. Then you have to select these layers, then drag these layers in here. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, we have to double click on here. Then we have to select all layers from here. Then click on the backspace. Then you have to back to the main project. Then you have to unlock all layers from here. After that you have to select all layers from here. Then you have to drag these layers in here. Then you have to set this business card in here. After set the business card, you have to press Ctrl plus S button from keyboard. Here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.